Okay, so today we're going to have a show. Alright, Lilith, Leticia, and Rachel are going to be presenting a special song, and we will have a surprise event afterwards, okay? Thank you! It's Evelyn's birthday today. She's turning 6 today. Happy birthday, Evelyn! Uhul!
Yay! Só não bate palma porque não dá.
Ai, Evelyn, fecha a boca pro mais, filha. Tá ficando tão bonito.
Pois é.